Hello guys, if you are interested in making a passive income every single month, $3,000 every single month, then this is the video for you which you should check out definitely. Today I'm going to show you one of the new platform which you can promote in 2020 and make a really good amount of money out of it. So now let's jump into the content without wasting any of your time, because I know your time is really very important. My name is Moneymaker001. I create videos about make money online, affiliate marketing and online business. So if you are interested in this type of stuff, then this is one of the best channel which you should subscribe, as well as press the bell notification which will appear next to it, so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So now let's jump into the contents. So the website which I'm going to show you, with which you can start making money, is known as kartra.com. Okay, Kartra is one of the alternative of ClickFunnels. It is a funnel building website. Okay, so people use this website to build their funnels. For example, people use ClickFunnels to create landing pages and all that stuff, and same is there with Kartra. Okay, so Kartra has some of the features like leads. You can create lead pages, landing pages. It also has its own autoresponder software, as well as funnels and campaigns, membership, and many other things. So whatever the things are available are there in Kartra which are required for an affiliate marketing platform. Okay, so this is really interesting. Now you are going to promote this program. Yes, we are not going to buy this program, we are not going to use this program, but we are going to promote this program as an affiliate. And how you are going to do this is what I'm going to show you in this video. So watch this video till the end, because I'm going to show you 3 methods with which you can promote this platform and start making $3,000 a month in passive income, okay, in 2020. So now let's go down over here. Just come to this website which is known as kartra.com and click on the affiliate program, and you will be redirected to this page which is Kartra affiliate page. Okay, so Kartra is one of the best platform which many of the people, as well as many of the YouTubers, utilize. Okay, and they are making a ton of money by promoting this platform. This is one of the platform which pays you recurring commissions, just like ClickFunnels pays you recurring commission. For every sale you make, it pays you some percentage of it. Such is there with Kartra. Okay, so Kartra's plans start with $99 a month, and you get 40% of the commission, which is shown over here. So its plan starts from rupees $99 every single month. And what happens is that you start making money out of it. Okay, so if someone pays $99 and then buys this figure, then you get 40% commission. That is almost $40 you get from promoting Kartra. Okay, and this is the platform which retains a customer, or retains a customer for a very long period of time, so that every time that customer keeps paying and utilizing the platform Kartra, you are going to get and receive a recurring commission for that. So this is really awesome. Same is the business model which is the of ClickFunnels. Everything is almost the same, but this has some more features as compared to ClickFunnels. So it is a better option to promote in 2020 and a really trustable option. Okay, so now I will be showing you how you can promote this. Okay, so now I am going to show you the platform which is known as udemy.com. Okay, Udemy is a platform where you can buy solo ads. Okay, now many of the people may be knowing about solo ads, or many may not be knowing. Solo ads is something that all these guys on this platform, they are almost affiliates. Okay, they are very good affiliates, and they have a huge email list targeting any of the niches. Okay, so now Udemy has a best of the business niche audience. Okay, so the most of the people who are selling their email marketing lists on Udemy are absolutely great at business opportunity niche, and Kartra is a platform which is covered in the business opportunity niche, and due to it there is a very good possibility of selling this product on the, if you are going to promote it with the paid traffic which is available on Udemy. Now for Udemy it is really simple. All you need to do is just come to Udemy, sign up for the platform. If you don't have an account, just have a Gmail account and you can sign it up. Okay, now what you are going to get is that you are going to pay per click. Okay, so if I'm going to buy 100 clicks, then I just have to pay $53 to this person. This person is some sort of affiliate who has a very big email list, and he will promote this offer to his targeted audience. And this is really where the game changing concept comes in mind of solo ads, because the person who is promoting this and the audience which he has is really targeted, and due to that, the chances of selling this product are very high. And apart of that, Kartra is really a very trustable platform, so definitely you are going to get very good amount of conversion rate. So this is really interesting. If you send 100 clicks and you get almost 2 sales, then you are already making the money. You sent 100 clicks, you are getting 2 sales, you already made $80 out of it. Okay, even if they buy the lowest plan, which is $99 a month, and until when they are going to pay $99 a month on Kartra, you are going to receive commission every single month from them. So this is really a very profitable platform on which you can promote Kartra, because Kartra is still a newer player, okay, and many of the people are joining it because it provides a lot of feature, and even at times it is way more better than ClickFunnels. So it is really an interesting platform. Now another method, which is free method. Okay, so most of the people don't want paid methods, so I will be showing you free method. So this is one of the website, okay, in which they are almost writing an article about Kartra's pricing plans. Okay, so there are many of the keywords such as Kartra review, Kartra versus ClickFunnels, Kartra's pricing plan, what is the price of Kartra, okay, Kartra, how features of Kartra. All these keywords are there on which you can create a website which is a super targeted niche website, and you can write this type of articles. All you need to do is just check out this website which is known as Hustle Life. I just found it randomly on Google, and you can see that it has created a article on Kartra. Okay, and see, they are just writing about some of the stuff about, and it is pretty small article, and you can just replicate whatever they are writing in your own words and create your own website. All you need to do is write 10 to 20 detailed articles on the particular platform which is called Kartra, and you can get traffic. But it takes some time. It will take 3 to 6 months to get some traffic, but really this is one of the best way to get some traffic and really make some affiliate commissions. See, they have provided their affiliate link over here, so you can also create this type of websites. Okay, it may take some time, but it's really easy to create this type of websites. Okay, you just have to have a hosting platform and such as Bluehost or HostGator, and you can get a website really very easily. Okay, and if you don't know how to create a website, you can hire someone on Fiverr.com for really 10 to 20 bucks and tell him to make a website for you, and all you need to do is just write some articles in that website. That's really simple, that's really easy. And the next now the third method. Okay, so the first method was Udemy solo ads, the second method is making a niche targeted website, and the third method is YouTube. Okay, now let's search for Kartra review. Okay, so here's so we are now on YouTube, and you can see that people are creating all these videos which are related to Kartra. And what these videos are just screen recording of the features as well as stuff which is shown in Kartra. Okay, so just search for the keyword Kartra. Okay, and you can find many of the keywords. Okay, so these are the keywords: Kartra review, Kartra, okay, Kartra versus ClickFunnels, okay, Kartra affiliate program. So all these are keywords on which you can create a particularly each video for it. And to create this type of to create a video on this, all you need to have is a screen recording software which is known as OBS Studio. Okay, so this is the software. Okay, OBS Studio. Just go to Google and search for OBS Studio, and you can find this software which I am currently using to record my screen. Okay, so you can also use this software to record your screen and create some of the review of this platform Kartra. Okay, and if you don't have any idea how to create this type of stuff, okay, just download this software and just check out some of the tutorials. Many of the tutorials are available on YouTube, and if you don't have an idea what you have to say or speak in this video, just check out some of this video, and all you need to do is replicate the stuff. Don't just copy the stuff, just try to replicate them. Just get some inspiration, watch this videos out, what they are telling, how they are telling, and just understand it. Or the trick here is to upload more and more content, that is 30 to 40 videos, okay, to your channel regarding a platform which is called Kartra. Okay, after that what will happen is that you will get authority over one keyword, which is Kartra, and whatever the traffic, YouTube will recommend more and more of your videos because you have the most amount of videos on one particular platform, and due to that you will build up authority, you will build up an audience, and that audience is definitely targeted, and they are going to buy some stuff from Kartra, and you are going to get recurring commission from that audience every single month, a very good amount of money from that, and you can scale it up to much big amounts. For example, $10,000 a month to $20,000 a month is scalable as a passive income utilizing this method. So if you like this video, if you like my content, just press the like button, and if you really love videos about making money online, you can also check out other videos on my channel which will provide you a ton of value about how to make money online. And we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.